Children, welcome to Malaradi Memorial School digital classes. In the previous chapter, we saw a village in the Krishna Delta, that was Penamakuru. It has heavy rainfall, plenty of water, it has irrigation facility and fertile soil. Now, let us discuss about a village on the plateau. Children, did you remember what is plateau? We have discussed about this plateau in the third chapter, part A, landforms lesson. Plateau is the one of the three main kinds of landforms. Did you remember? Yes, I will tell you in detail in this lesson. Plateau is a highland and it has more flat lands with some hills in between them. And on the plateau, the landscape is uneven with some ups and downs. You can see that in the picture. We can call it as tableland. Yeah, in this picture you can see it is look like a table. That's why we can also call plateau as tableland. Children, unlike the Krishna Delta was flat, but plateaus are marked by several small hills. You can see small hills in the picture and hill ranges, so that cultivation and settlement is possible only in small pockets. This plateau region is also rocky with thin layers of soil. You can also see that in the picture. One more important aspect of the soil plateau is that it receives very low rainfall. This plateau region receives very low rainfall. Children, can you imagine a village that has no rainfall, no irrigation facility, and poor soil? Yes. Today, we are going to discuss such a village, that is Dokuru, a village on the plateau. We are going to discuss about the Dokuru village, which is on the plateau region. Children, this Dokuru village is located in Telangana plateau. You can see in the picture Telangana plateau. Here, this is the lower Telangana plateau and this is the upper Telangana plateau. You can clearly see that Telangana plateau. Children, see this picture. You will notice that the entire Telangana region falls on the Deccan Plateau. Yeah, this is the Deccan Plateau. This is the Deccan Plateau. And this is Telangana Plateau. This Telangana Plateau region falls on the Deccan Plateau. Did you see, children, in the picture? Yes, it is clear in the picture. Let us discuss about the Deccan Plateau. This Deccan Plateau is located between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. It is covered South India. Majority of the South India. This Deccan Plateau has covered majority of the South India. You can see that in the picture. This Deccan Plateau is on higher altitude comparing to the eastern coastal plains. This is the eastern coastal plain, and comparing to the eastern coastal plains, this Deccan Plateau is on the higher altitude. That's why the rivers in the Deccan Plateau flow from west to east. Children, this Deccan Plateau region receives very low rainfall, as I told you earlier. The Plateau region receives very low rainfall. That's why Dokuru village, which is on the Plateau region, is also receives low rainfall. This was a topic which we are going to discuss. Let us discuss about the Dokuru village. Dokuru village is in the Devarakadra Mandal. It is in Devarakadra Mandal. This Dokuru village is 25 kilometers away from Mahabubnagar district. It is 25 kilometers away from Mahabubnagar district. The old name of Dokuru is Dakuru. The old name of Dokuru is Dakuru. And the name Dokuru come from the word Daku. The name Dakuru come from the word Daku. How the name has come? It has come from the word Daku. Let's see what is meant by Daku. Daku means dacoit. Daku means dacoit. Dacoit, you can see dacoits in the picture. They are the robbers. There was a story behind this name. Many years ago, dacoit group lived in the Dokuru village. They hide themselves in bushes of Dokuru village, and they rob the people who come to that place. Due to that, the village called as Dakuru. Dakuru village is named after the Daku, which is also known as dacoit. This was the story of the name of the Dokuru village. Now the Dokuru village is called as Dakuru village is called as Dokuru. Previously it was Dakuru. Now it is called as Dokuru. Let us discuss about the rainfall and climate, soils, etc. in the next video. Thank you, children.